I'm a spiritual being in the physical body. I am not taking on any negative energy, but only positive, empowering energy. Hello there, family. Welcome on to our Q&A and this beautiful Monday evening. We're now recording. Today's Monday, January 13th of 2020. So here's a process that I've covered for myself that will certainly help. Number one, really be observant and in the moment. Learn from what people are saying. If it's a family member, an old friend, how are they speaking? What are they saying? What do they believe? So just be very observant. Number two is doing a reset at any part of the day is awesome. Okay, you're hanging out with a friend and you need to go to the bathroom. You go to the bathroom, wash your hands, and then you take 10 extra seconds and do a mental reset. Close your eyes and say, I am one with Source. I'm a spiritual being in the physical body. I am not taking on any negative energy, but only positive, empowering energy. Do them several times while you're your family celebration, morning until night. Do that several times. You'll be in that centered stage, centered internally. By spending time with family for one day, you're not going to absorb all of the old beliefs or anything else that's coming up, but rather have fun, be there with family because it's loving, it's joyful, and it's fun to do. And that's a process that's helped me a lot. So let's draw a little diagram visually so we can really see how this is going here. Maybe we have a core belief here. The core belief, how do you know what you believe? You look at your results. That's basically it. Okay, so if I'm only earning 10 grand a month, or whatever, it doesn't matter, I'm just picking a number out of the blue. If you're earning 10 grand a month, that means you have a belief that's a core belief around this. It's really a result that you're looking at. A core thought that's lodged in your conscious and subconscious mind. Within this 10K per month, maybe you want to get to, let's put a little circle up here, maybe you want to get to 30K. But the core belief hasn't matched yet. Intellectually, you could be there on belief level, but it's completely all at a feeling level that's dictating everyone's results. So you can believe you can, that's first stage, it's very important. You have to believe you, or at least hope you can, or else you would never even go down that direction. If you're trying to sail from New York City to someplace in Europe, and you don't even believe you're gonna make it, you probably wanna get on the ship. So first and foremost, you have to consciously hope and wish and believe something. But the real work comes in mental efforts around the feeling belief, right? And these supplemental beliefs will put up a barrier or limit us from actually experiencing the thing that we do want. And we'll call these supplemental. These are actually all kind of connected. So I'll make little squiggles here because they're not really separate, but we may say 30 grand per month is so hard, or 30 grand per month. If I was making that with my current business structure, I'd have no time. 30K a month. So these thoughts, remember, every belief is just a thought you continue to think. It's something that's ingrained in your mind, and that's what these things are right there. The beliefs are like the invisible wall we've all felt before. If we ever feel like there's a glass ceiling and on top of our head, if we feel there's an invisible wall keeping us back from our success, it's nothing but a belief within. That's it. That's where that's coming from, that feeling. First and foremost, focus on the core belief, and it's a very good practice every day to work on one supplemental belief or changing that around just a bit. You don't have to actually change all these beliefs to manifest what you want, because if you change one, you change them all. If you start believing 30K per month is easy, guess what? You have a law of attraction going on and you attract similar thoughts. You'll probably start thinking, oh, it is easy and I can figure out how to do it. And I'm getting better at what I'm doing. And even if it is in my current business model, I'm sure I'll change it to add more time on my schedule, right? So by changing one belief, remember, a belief is a thought you keep thinking. And by the law of attraction, you'll start to attract similar thoughts. And you just start the movement forward. It's pretty nice. That's really how you know, what am I believing at a deep down level? You look at your results. And then at a supplemental belief, if you want to know what those are, listen into your thoughts. You can manifest this. Our objective is that accepting of an idea, so that goes in your subconscious universal mind. That's it. So if you accept a reality about yourself, how do you do that? You see it as real in mind and feel it as real in mind. That's how you accept an idea. You accepted the idea, you see it as real in your minds. There's no arguing. You wouldn't tell me all the reasons why it can't be done, right? We start to overthink, we start to doubt, which is the opposite of accepting an idea. The more that we find ideas on why it can't happen, essentially we're rejecting an idea. If we reject the idea is not going into the subconscious universal mind, it can't happen.